तिमीलाई सबै कुरा थाहा भएको जस्तो नगर अथवा तिमीलाई सबै कुरा थाहा भए झैं नाटक नगर Don't act as if you know everything. Don't act as if you know everything. तिमी मात्र एक होइनौ जसलाई यसको बारेमा थाहा छ You aren't the only one who knows about it. You aren't the only one who knows about it. Welcome to Hamro English Guru YouTube channel. तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ. In this video, we are going to practice some important English sentences. Are you ready? सुरु गरौँ. सुत्ने बेला भयो. It is time to sleep. It is time to sleep. चाँडो सुत्न र चाँडो उठ्न सिक. Learn to sleep early and wake up early. Learn to sleep early and wake up early. सधैँ स्वस्थ खाना खाऊ. Always eat healthy food. Always eat healthy food. Healthy नभन्नुहोस्, healthy. Healthy, healthy. Always eat healthy food. तिमीले कहिल्यै बासी खाना खानु हुँदैन. You must never eat stale food. You must never eat stale food. यो तिम्रो स्वास्थ्यको लागि धेरै नराम्रो हो. It is very bad for your health. It is very bad for your health. तिमी सुध्रिनै पर्छ. You must improve. राम्रो बानीहरू सिक. Learn good habits. Learn good habits. आफ्नो साथीहरू ध्यान पुर्याएर छान. Choose your friends carefully. Choose your friends carefully. यसले भन्न खोजेको हो साथी बनाउँदा राम्रो साथी बनाउनु. Choose your friends carefully. यदि तिमी सफल बन्न चाहन्छौ भने परिश्रम गर. If you want to succeed, work hard. If you want to succeed, work hard. तिमीले त्यस्तो गरिरह्यौ भने कसैले पनि तिमीलाई मन पराउनेवाला छैन. Nobody will like you if you keep doing that. Nobody will like you if you keep doing that. मलाई थाहा छ कि तिमी राम्रो मान्छे हौ. I know you are a good person. I know you are a good person. तर तिमीले सबैजनालाई भरोसा गर्नु हुँदैन. But you must not trust everybody अथवा But you mustn't trust everybody. But you must not trust everybody. But you mustn't trust everybody. Trust, भरोसा गर्नु अथवा विश्वास गर्नु. But you must not trust everybody. But you mustn't trust everybody. उनीसँग राम्ररी बोला. Talk to her properly. Talk to her properly. पैसा सबैभन्दा महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा होइन. Money isn't the most important thing. Money isn't the most important thing. केही चीजहरू छन् जुन पैसा भन्दा पनि महत्त्वपूर्ण हुन्छन्. There are some things that are more important than money. There are some things that are more important than money. सधैँ अरूमा निर्भर नहो. Don't always depend on others. Don't always depend on others. आफैले पनि यो गर्न सिक. Learn to do it yourself too. Learn to do it yourself too. हामी सधैँ तिम्रो लागि हुनेवाला छैनौ. We won't always be there for you. We won't always be there for you. तिमी आत्मनिर्भर बन्नुपर्छ. You must become independent. You must become independent. Independent, आत्मनिर्भर. You must become independent. सफल भएनौ भने पनि चिन्ता नलिऊ. Don't worry even if you don't succeed. Don't worry even if you don't succeed. Succeed भनेको सफल हुनु. यहाँ don't succeed भनेको सफल नहुनु अथवा नभएको. Don't worry even if you don't succeed. तिमीले प्रयास जारी राख्नुपर्छ अथवा प्रयास गरिरहनुपर्छ. You must keep trying. You must keep trying. एक दिन तिमी अवश्य सफल हुनेछौ. One day you will surely succeed. One day you will surely succeed. र यो एकदमै सही हो. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class, so that you don't miss out on important videos like this one. र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. Also, be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न पनि अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. तिमीले आफैमा विश्वास राख्यौ भने केही असम्भव छैन. Nothing is impossible if you believe in yourself. Nothing is impossible if you believe in yourself. आफूलाई शङ्का नगर. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. doubt, doubt, शङ्का गर्नु. Don't doubt yourself. सधैँ सकारात्मक सोच्नु. Always think positive. Always think positive. जे तिमीलाई सही लाग्छ त्यही गर. Do what you think is right. Do what you think is right. सधैँ अरूले जे भन्छन् त्यो नगर. Don't always do what others tell you. Don't always do what others tell you. आफैले निर्णयहरू लिन पनि सिक. Learn to make your own decisions as well. Learn to make your own decisions as well. किनकि यसले तिमीलाई भविष्यमा मद्दत पुर्याउनेछ. It will help you in the future. It will help you in the future. जीवनमा धेरै अवरोधहरू आउनेछन्. There will be many obstacles in life. There will be many obstacles in life. Obstacle, अवरोध. There will be many obstacles in life. तिमीले ती अवरोधहरूको सामना गर्न सिक्नुपर्छ. You must face these obstacles अथवा you must learn to face these obstacles. You must face these obstacles. You must learn to face these obstacles. तिमी मात्र एक होइनौ जसबाट गल्तीहरू हुन्छ. You are not the only one who makes mistakes. You are not the only one who makes mistakes. Mistakes भनेको गल्तीहरू. You are not the only one who makes mistakes. गल्ती सबैबाट हुन्छ. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. गल्तीहरूबाट सिक्नु नै महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा हो. The most important thing is to learn from your mistakes. The most important thing is to learn from your mistakes. त्यसरी तिमी एक राम्रो मान्छे बन्न सक्छौ. That is how you become a good human being. That is how you become a good human being. विगतमा नअड्क अथवा नअल्झिऊ. Don't dwell on the past. Don't dwell on the past. Dwell on something भनेको केही कुरामा अल्झिनु अथवा अड्किनु. Don't dwell on the past. वर्तमानमा ध्यान देऊ र खुशी हौ. Focus on the present and be happy. Focus on the present and be happy. र यो एकदमै सही पनि हो. र आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch all videos of Hamro online class and Hamro English Guru. आजलाई यति नै. Take care. Have a good day.